What's up, guys? Today I'm going to discuss, will Indian stock market boom or will it crash? What's cooking in the stock market for the next 5 years? Let's go ahead and discuss the sectors and the stocks in focus for those particular sectors. And I'll tell you in detail in the next video what those sectors are doing and how they're doing in their fundamentals. So government of India has already allocated 1.4 trillion US dollars for the infrastructure. Post-COVID, the economy has hit hard to all the nations. Every nation is getting into developing the infrastructure to boost the economy. Similarly, even USA has thinking of contributing 2.3 trillion US dollars in the infrastructure. And the ancillaries related to the infrastructure will definitely be boosted up looking at the infrastructure plans, what government has in for us. So even the Indian Railways is going up with PPP model, which is a public-private partnership, and the bullet trains are yet to come up. And the stocks in focus, which you can definitely think of are Tata Power, Tata Steel, JSW Steel, Ultratech, JK Cement. These are the good for stocks for your portfolio down the lane for next 5 years. So the next sector that I'll be going ahead and discussing will be technology, because many of the companies are coming up with AI, machine learning, data analytics, AR, VR, which is the future. Tata Click has already started with its user to processing the AR and VR on their online websites. Companies which are in focus are Infosys, Happiest Minds, TCS, HCL Tech, Wipro. These are the few stocks which have got it for you. You can definitely have them in your portfolio. Down the lane, you can see a huge boom in this particular sector. The next is the textiles. Indian government has come up with the PLI scheme of rupees 10,683 crore to boost this particular sector. China has already started losing the global market share from 36% to 32% post the COVID era. And India is at 5%, which is at sixth position already. And Vietnam is one of the tough competitor, which is to India. Can India occupy this space and boost the textile sector? That's the reason why they have come up with this particular plan. And the stocks in focus are Trident, Vardhman, Page Industries, Alok Industries, many other textile sectors. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, Trading Stock Lakshmi India. Thank you, and you have a good day.